Tony, it's time to take a look at nature.
It is, and this is a special game. It's eco-friendly.
Okay.
And according to this, biodegradable, designed to be thrown away.
There we go.
This is the first printing, including promos from GenCon. So we've got a nice manual. Yeah, that's lovely, that is. In fact, if you feel the paper, you feel there's a lot of weave on it.
That is a lot of weave, yeah. It's nice though, isn't it, actually?
Yeah, that's quality. I mean, I'm not sure I want this to be biodegradable because I wouldn't want to throw it away, but I'm assuming that's, rather than that really high gloss varnish on it, I'm assuming that's produced a lovely finish but has a definite texture to it.
I like the texture.
Is that the same with that?
Yeah, that's the reference guide.
Okay.
And this is the solo version if you want to...
Solo version, so you play this by yourself and then you throw it away. So what you got there? Just a catalogue?
This is like a catalogue of different modules of the game, I think, like maybe expansions.
Yes, I've seen there's a flight expansion that we have, and this is just a little catalogue of other games.
Now this is the elephant graveyard, but leopards on the front.
It is. Do you think we should open that?
I don't know, I think it's...
Does that look at it? Well, I've opened it now.
It's too late, it's already opened.
And in there is an elephant's graveyard. Okay,
Who'd have thought?
There you go, that was...
a shock.
Yes, that's very on the nose, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then we got these.
Yeah, little animals.
Okay, are they?
I reckon this is a little...
No, I thought that, but that'd be upside down.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, well, we've got two of those.
We'll find out later. Come back to us on that one.
Okay.
We've got a pool.
Oh, no, there's more of them. Look, there's 4 of those.
Right.
That is suggesting that's some sort of player thing. So we've got a tiger and a bear, some monkeys, an old girlfriend of mine.
And a red panda.
And a red panda.
Yeah. Got some plants.
Lots of...
And they've got some numbers on here. Do you reckon that's like multiples? When you've collected 10, you just use the big one.
That's going to be multiple. Same here, look, we've got meat.
I do like a bit of meat.
And then we've got little caribou.
Yeah.
I'm not up on my wildebeest.
Hang on a minute. This is some top quality storage for a box. Ooh, look at this.
That is nice, isn't it?
This is where you put your plants and this is where you put your meat. Look at that.
Oh, I like that.
That's nice.
I was expecting one of them, pull out tops, but it's like a little tray. A slidey tray of goodness.
Oh,
you need a dry out there. Health and safety. We'll have to start doing unboxings with goggles. So there we go. So we've just popped that in there. That's excellent. And then what we got here?
Oh, you're going to
like
this.
In this. There's something in.
Oh,
tokens. Look at those.
But look at this. Nicely organised. You could just.
Oh, look. Hold on. No, these are. I've got a thing that does a twiddly bit.
Yeah. On my thing does
forager. What does yours say?
Mine's a hunter.
Oh, so I'm dinner and you're chasing me. Excellent. Yeah. Story of my life. Right. What else we got in here? Have I got?
I like those. Yeah.
Those are nice. I don't know how they work or what they do, but we have got 2 boxes of those.
Little turn dials. This is for more little boxes.
That's for the caribou.
Yeah, more caribou boxes.
And then we've got some packs of cards. That's instead of a pack of the desiccant.
Yeah.
So is that a biodegradable version, I assume?
Do not eat those, so let's not do that.
Oh, you got a tiger. Is that
leopard.
Wood?
I reckon that's a leopard or a cheetah.
Yeah, it's not a tiger, is it?
No.
Yes, failed.
Different pattern there.
Oh, so these are really stylised, like
nice.
watercolour painted art.
You got the snow leopards. Yeah, it's definitely a leopard.
Yeah, leopards. Okay, so those are cool. Then what do we have here? We've got the hunters. They're all the same.
Okay. It looks like we've got. I reckon these are player reference cards because there's 4 of them, and they're double-sided. No, lovely texture again. It's that same texture.
So look, these look like action. So that's clawed, fast. Looks like running, horned. That's the horny beast.
Yes.
Stabby thing.
Yeah, that classic name of animal.
Opportunistic. The red panda robbing eggs. Yeah, get in there, son. And what else you got?
Player reference cards again. Preparation, adapting phase. We get free action and then a feeding phase. That is often my favourite.
The feeding phase is top of my thing, hence Burger King and my loyalty card. So, look, and glutton, right on time.
Yep.
So these look like, again, types of...
That's for the solo play, though.
Oh, it is? Okay. Yeah. I assume that's so that they can get attacked or something. And then we've got...
There might be like the sort of game's AI version to make sure you can do something.
So there is a challenge. And then we've just got more of these cards with different...
animals.
Attributes. Well, these are, if you have a look, these are like plated,
There's
scavenging.
Different numbers on them as well, isn't there? Yeah.
All really nice artwork, and again, all of that slightly textured
Same
card
as,
and paper, yeah?
Nice.
So I assume it's all part of the biodegradable goodness. Well, there's a fair chunk in this, isn't there?
Yeah.
As you say, there are other expansions that expand this game out. What are we looking at? 1 to 4 players, 45 minutes.
And it all goes all back in fairly easily, actually.
Yes, it looks like it all fits. All slots back in. Again, a nice... they're seeing more and more of this on the unboxing, aren't we? Of these boxes with the inner inserts already placed there.
Yeah.
Which is great.
Oh, I think this is maybe to hide your cards or something.
Oh, right. If you've got one card. You're not going to hide many cards. Or perhaps it's tokens you're meant to hide. Maybe. Could it be that there's a token matching thing where you place a token down and everybody else and then you reveal it?
I'll tell you what probably does know is the instructions.
It does.
It's a player screen. Yeah. You screen things with it. See, I was right.
Yeah, but not a lot. But...
Well, it depends.
Yeah, it seems very compact.
Depends how big
that appears like that's the board.
Yeah, that is the
board.
That's the watering hole.
Yeah. Well, I have to say, that's a very compact game. You play this on a train easy, couldn't you?
Yeah.
Then we get one of them little tables.
Yeah. I love it.
I mean, Twilight Imperium, not so much.
No.
But
this game, you could
trip to the Smoke, to London, and you want to play a game on your way down. It's a smallish box.
Do you know what would be great? You could go to like Longley or a zoo, have a little coffee, play a little game at the zoo. It'd be great, wouldn't it?
Everyone's a winner, isn't it?
I think
so. And
so.
then when you're finished with it, you can lob it in the local tip with a clean conscience.
Exactly. Now, there we go. But I do love the artwork. I think that's the thing that really stands out for me. And again, a nice game. How many players is this? 1 to 4.
1 to 4.
You can be 10 plus. There's no limit on this one.
Yeah, okay, this looks like a good family game.
30 to 45 minutes. Yeah,
that's
lovely family
easy
game.
On, isn't it? That looks very good. So no, I think that looks like a good buy. I'd like to give that a go, see how it works out, especially with the tiny board.
Yep.
No, nature. Go and get one.
Get some nature in your life.
That's right. Everybody needs a bit of nature.
They do.